High-pressure syringe pump operating guide. Connect the power supply. Insert the syringe. Align with the bayonet mount and rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Connect the tubing. Connect one end to the syringe. Tighten. Connect the other end to the needle. Note, keep the tubing pointing upwards when drawing liquid. Click Retract to fill. Click Advance to empty to expel the air from the syringe. Press and hold manual retract, or click Retract to fill to draw in the liquid. Do not click Advance to empty, otherwise the drawn liquid will be expelled. If liquid has been drawn in and there is air in the tubing, you can press and hold manual purge to expel the air from the syringe. Wait until all the air is expelled and liquid just begins to emerge from the needle tip. When injecting, keep the syringe pointing downwards. Disconnect this side, then connect the injection needle. Next, we will demonstrate remote control via the display screen. Connect the display screen power supply. Enter password 4321. Confirm. Delay. Enter 10, which means automatic injection will start after 10 seconds. Injection rate. Enter 2, which means 2 milliliters per second. Generally, the input range is 1 to 7. Volume refers to the injection volume. The entered value should be less than the volume of liquid in the tubing. For example, if there are 30 ml in the syringe, inject 20 ml. As the tubing is long, a certain reserve volume should be kept. Once ready, click Ready. Once there is no red text in the middle section, you can click Start Injection. Injection complete.